Hi guys, welcome back to KTB Creates. For those that are new, welcome to my channel. I am Kim, and here on KTB Creates I do a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs. I do thrift store hauls and revamps. I do upcycle projects and things like that. I absolutely love home decor, so if you're into any of those things, please consider clicking that subscribe button and tapping that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So today I'm going to take you through a thrift store haul that I recently did. I was so excited to get out to my local Goodwill. I hadn't been there in several months, so I was hoping that I would be able to find some really cool finds because I depleted my thrift store stash during our COVID period. So I was excited to find some new stuff. So I'm going to take you through some of those things that I found and some ideas that I have, and if you have any ideas of what I can do with some of these items, please let me know. I always love to hear from you in the comment section below. So let's go ahead and get started. I am so excited. So I found, and I wasn't gonna get this, but then I thought it was a really good deal. It was just a pack of ribbon. It's like a silky type ribbon. So one's like an olive green and then the other one is a black, and it was 99 cents, and it looks like they're huge rolls. I don't know exactly how much. I think it's 100 yards. 100 yards for $2, so I couldn't pass that up. So I grabbed that. And then I found this for $1.99. So this is just a bunch of paper, but it has like all kinds of pretty designs and different sayings and things like that. So of course, we can always do some fun things with decorative paper. So I grabbed that. They had these old, like really old pieces of, or packages of sandpaper. There was several of them, but it was 99 cents. So I just grabbed one, and it includes 4 coarse, 4 medium, and 4 fine, because we're always using our sandpaper for different things. Then I got 4 books for 99 cents. They're all in the same size, and they're just, paperback books, because I'm going to do, a nice little decorative stack of them with different wording on them. So that's what I'm going to do there. And then I got some other pieces. This was 49 cents. It's just a plastic, I don't know, I guess it's like a tray of some sort, a little container. But I think I'm gonna use it to make a little stand or a tray. So then I did find some candlestick holders that I'll paint. This was 99 cents. So I'm thinking like, something like that, or if I flip it down like that, I could do that too. So we have to decide. And then I found another one. This is a clear glass one for 99 cents. I just thought it was a pretty shape, so I grabbed that as well. And then I found this for 49 cents. It's just a decorative, it's a plastic cake tray. So again, just to make a cute little tray or something of the sort. So I grabbed that as well. I found this cute little piece. This was 49 cents, and it's just a little metal tray, and it has like a winter scene on it, but I of course am gonna paint it. It would be cute for like a tier tray or something like that, just a little cute decorative piece. And then I found this for $1.99. Isn't that cute? It's just a little pumpkin, and it's perfect we're heading into the fall season, so I will decorate this in some way and revamp it a little bit, but it's really cute just as is. So it depends on what you want to do with it. I found this cute little pear, this cute little gold pear. This was 99 cents. So again, just a cute little decorative piece. And then some of my bigger items. This, I wasn't sure if I should get this or not, but I have an idea, so we'll see what happens. But it was $2.99, and it says Rocky Mountain Spring Water Home Delivery. And it has like, this is like a plastic piece that you put something inside of it. It has like a little knob on top. So I kind of have an idea to do something with this, but I don't know, I just thought it was kind of cool. It was unique, different, so I grabbed it. It was only $2.99. And then I grabbed this tray for $2.99 as well. This is a silver tray. This, however, is like real metal, so it's a little bit heavier, but it would make a beautiful decor piece as well. So I grabbed that. And then I am a sucker for anything wood, anything that you can redo in wood. So there was just this storage box. It says olive and cocoa on it, but it has like a wood lid that comes right off, and it's just a cute little raw wood storage box. So lots of different things that we could do with this, but I grabbed that for $2 as well. And then this is the last piece, and I was excited about this because I love these little marquee signs. So this was a little bit more. It was $4.99, but it's still in the package, brand new. I'm hoping that it works, but it is it's just an LED light. It has 16 lights, and it has a 4-hour built-in timer. So I thought that was cool, so I grabbed it. And that is everything I have from this thrift store haul. I can't wait to start redoing everything. So like I said, if you have any ideas, let me know in the comment section below. Go ahead and like this video if you'd like to see more hauls like this. I would be happy to do them. And until we see each other again, thank you and have a great week. Bye.